Meet the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, a brushed stainless steel countertop powerhouse that blends versatility, performance, and style into one sleek package. This oven isn't just for toasting bread. With 13 cooking functions, including air fry, slow cook, roast, broil, and dehydrate, it's like having multiple appliances in one. The Element IQ system with 6 independent quartz heating elements ensures precise, even cooking by delivering heat exactly where it's needed. The super convection setting circulates air more efficiently for faster, crispier results, perfect for golden French fries or juicy roasted chicken. And with an interior big enough to fit a 14-pound turkey, it's built for family-sized meals or dinner parties. Another big plus was the build quality. The stainless steel finish feels premium, the controls are intuitive, and the LCD display makes selecting settings a breeze. Many reviewers praise how consistently it delivers perfect results, whether you're baking cookies or air frying wings. But it's not all perfect. Some users mention that it takes up a lot of counter space, so in smaller kitchens, that's something to consider. Others note that the exterior can get hot during longer cooking cycles, meaning you'll want to keep it away from delicate surfaces or curious little hands. And at its price point, it's an investment, but one that serious home cooks may find well worth it. If you're looking for a high-performance countertop oven that can truly replace multiple appliances, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a strong contender. It's fast, versatile, and built to last, but you'll need the counter space and budget to match. Click the link in the description for a special discounted price, and be sure to subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.